In this video, I'm going to show you how to massage the stomach for weight loss and to improve digestion and constipation. Continuing on with the stomach, we're going to put the pillowcase like this, reach under, and slowly pull away at the sheet. Coming down to the pubic area, I'm going to tuck it in just to help maintain her modesty. Applying lotion, just like we did before. We're going to start here in the stomach area because the food moves this way. We're going to just start with some nice rotational movements. Coming down, incorporating the lotion into the back area. And continue on. So I'm going to work a little bit in the stomach area right here. And pushing across like this. Circle. And then pull. Circle. And then like so. Circle, and like so. And just get used to this movement. And these stomach moves are wonderful for weight loss, for digestion. Maybe someone has a little constipation. At this point, you can actually press in there really kind of deeply. Here I go with that knuckle move again, right? And just continue with the circles. If someone has food poisoning, this is a really great move also. Just push those toxicity out of the way. Placing the fingers at the belly button and down. Belly button and down. Belly button down. Continuing with the knife edge underneath the rib cage. And the diaphragm rests here, and that area can feel tight. Oftentimes people will feel like there's an air bubble under there. You want a little more intensity, again, come right up under with the knuckles. Right along that rib cage. And this is a cross the body move. So when I'm ready to do the other side, I'm going to walk around the table. And continuing with that knife edge underneath the other side, the diaphragm is, and then even the knuckle right here. Getting right up under there. You can be a little aggressive with this move, it's fine. And then continuing with our circles, always counterclockwise. Another muscle right here, the hip flexors. It's a nice muscle just to get in here and work away in here. Again, I'm just finding this hip bone here and dropping off. Continuing with the other side. And throughout the whole massage, you may not see it, I'm out of camera angle, but I'm maintaining contact at all times. Then this other side. Dropping off that hip bone and then just coming right into that hip flexor. People who sit all day at jobs, this can get really tight. And continuing with petrissage. Over on the side, up along the rib cage. Coming to the other side. Across the body, under the back, scoop. Across the body, under the back, and scoop. And across the body. And even when you reach under the back, you can use your fingers just to massage that low back. Nice little rocking motions. And scoop. Pull. This pulling motion just feels like heaven. You can just reach down that upper buttock region. And going to the other side. Gentle shake and pull up. Continue with our rotational movements. This next technique is a Russian technique, and it's a vibrational technique. Come in, shake. Come in, back and forth gently, ending with a shaking motion. Back and forth, ending with a shaking motion. And making the circles then smaller. She's ready for this now because I've warmed her up for this. I'm just pushing nice and deeply. And at any point in this massage, she may have to get up and use the restroom, and that's fine because we are moving things in here. And then down. Just pushing on that colon, opening up any areas in here. And any area that you feel it's a little tight, just kind of stay here. Like I'm feeling a little tightness here. We can just stay in here and work into this area. In the next area, we did this hip flexor. There's also a low back muscle that attaches to the front of the spine. So you find the center of the stomach, come out about an inch, and then just drop down. This is all part of the hip flexor as well. And you might feel a little tightness in here, or you might have her respond that, yeah, that's a little tender. And if it is, just spend a little time there. And I normally do this on the other side of the body, but I'll just show it in this position. Center of the body, and then just press down. And I'm feeling some things moving around a little bit on this side. I felt a little bit of tightness anyway on the lower abdominal area. Right in here, a little bit of tightness. It's breakfast making its way through. And then finishing the stomach massage the way we began. Nice circles. You can start deep. And then go lighter. And lighter. And then just do some nerve raking. And then cover her up. We will be launching a new YouTube video every Wednesday and Friday at 3 p.m. and I'll be available for any questions you have or suggestions for future videos.